Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar Spotlight on India Agritech. This session will provide you information about the agritech sector in India and the commercial opportunities for Northern Ireland companies. My name is Sai Kiran. I'm the Regional Manager for India with InvestNI, and I'm supported by my colleague Sonali, who is a Trade and Investment Advisor. We are based in Mumbai, which as you know is the commercial capital of India, and we are co-located within the British Deputy High Commission office in Mumbai. The key objectives for the India office is to support NI businesses to export into India and to attract high-value FDI from India into Northern Ireland. Agriculture is one of the key sectors in India and is often regarded as the cornerstone of the Indian economy. The sector is a primary source of livelihood and employment for a majority of the population. India is considered a global agricultural powerhouse, exporting a wide variety of crops to different parts of the world. The sector, however, is going through a disruption with a pressing need for innovation. This is to meet the demands of a growing population and also to enhance productivity. The governments, both at the center and the local in India, have been quick to enter into strategic partnerships with private players and international bodies rolling out agritech solutions. Today, our webinar will focus on two topics. The first one will be agriculture and the agritech landscape in India, which will be delivered by Dhruv Sharma from Invest India. Invest India is Government of India's investment promotion and facilitation agency. The second topic is opportunities for Northern Ireland companies in the agritech sector by Gaurav Singh from TNA Consulting. TNA Consulting is one of India's leading cross-border consulting companies. Finally, we will have a Q&A at the end where we can answer your questions and hopefully whet your appetite for doing business in India. And with that, I'll pass on to the next speaker and meet you at the end for the Q&A.